Okay folks, today we're testing this 1970 Mercury Montego AM/FM stereo radio. I believe this will also fit Fairlanes and Rancheros, and I feel like there's a couple other models as well. But this one is coded for Montego because it has Montego on the lens. So anyway, if you were clever and wanted to use this in a Fairlane or something, if you take the lens out, you could just lightly wet sand until the Montego goes away and then polish it up and you're good to go. Anyway, the model number is D0GA 19A241, and then the Bendix part number there is 0FBG. Anyway, it's a beautiful looking radio and it's a beautiful working radio. You can see it still has this factory decal with the 253rd day of '69 date on it, and then another kind of peeling off decal here. The wiring was cut at some point, so you can see there's no connector on it, but all the wires are really long, super easy hookup. The blue is the lamp, the yellow is 12 volt, and then your two stereo signals are this kind of yellow-white wire and the orange wire with the neutral being purple. Anyway, gorgeous radio. We're going to test it out. Before we start, I should tell you that my AM reception is really weak where I live, so everything from about the 10 down on the dial just does not get good reception. It's not a fault of the radio, but just the fact that I live in a valley here. Anyway, I have it set up for the first station that came in, and we should get better reception from here on.
One of the goals is to dedicate an entire month to...
Right, then you'll join us and listen to the show now, or you can catch the pod.
I think it is.
It's really nice, guys.
The Flynn while I was in office. Period.
Lots of stations here. Okay, now we'll switch us over to FM. Start from the end of the dial.
Endangered species. See for yourself at AZA.
So one thing I noticed was not working earlier, we'll see if it starts working here when we're testing, is the stereo indicator light here. I didn't get anything to come on, so the bulb may need to be replaced. Since we're at K-Pig here, I'm going to show you that both channels work. So right now we have it on this white color channel. We're going to get rid of that one, hook it up to our orange color channel here, just to show you that it works solid. You can see when I adjust the knob, there's no crackling or anything.
GiveWestwood.org. GiveWestwood.org.
I ain't with the cake and how you kiss that.
De que usted y su familia conozcan.
It's really nice.
Credit or no credit? It's not. Ensure all COVID-19 guidelines.
Many have advanced degrees, and it just gave $20 a...
Anyway, really nice all the way through the dial. I'll show you the push buttons work here. Finally, I'll show you how to set a push button. So when we find a station we like here, say we like this station, we just pull out on the push button, push back in. No matter where we go, we can go right back to where we were, although that's not really my style. Alright, so anyway, if you've been looking for a 70 Montego AM/FM stereo radio, look no further. You have found it. As I said, I believe this will also fit Fairlane and Ranchero, and I believe the year models that this will fit are 68 on up to 71. And please confirm your specific application, but I believe it's 68 through 71. Fairlane, Ranchero, Torino, Montego. Anyway, don't miss it, guys.